How to delete or remove an item from your bag on Depop. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily delete your items that you've added to your shopping bag on Depop quick and easy. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in depop.com in it and search. Log into your Depop account by entering your credentials. Once you're in, go to the upper right corner and tap on this bag button or click on it. You will be able to see your bag on the page. To delete your item from the bag, go ahead and find the item and click on this little trash icon right underneath it. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to delete the item from your shopping bag on Depop. Repeat this process for every other items you don't want to purchase or remove from the listing. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.